Well, it's getting late here. It's after 12. It's actually December 8th. And just printing with my new Ender 2 Pro. This thing's cool. I got it for 99 bucks. First thing I did is I printed my own handle and the mount behind there, same color. I'm gonna make new knobs, obviously, all the way around. Green's obviously my thing, but I'm doing a almost 3-day print on this. 2 days, 18 hours, 48 minutes, and I'm pushing this thing at 200%. Stock speed, I think stock speed is 50 MMS. So what is it now? At 100 MMS, probably a little more, but it's printing good. Very happy with it. We'll see how it holds up, and continue to update. But for 99 bucks, yeah, I need a new table. I'm actually upgrading my print room. I'm going to be upgrading, hopefully getting some more printers, and moving this to a whole new location with some shelving, and can really show it off better that way. Better lighting as well, not that fake wood behind. But alright, well, keep at the channel. I'm just here at Cat Scoots. Have a good one.